Hey guys, welcome back. We are still talking about these footwork runs. I did these runs in the class with my students, and often they forget whenever we do a battle or so. They do the same two runs over and over. To avoid that, that's what these fits are for. But of course, if you're just watching this, you can take this stuff if you like, right? It's up to you. So, this is not really foundation, right? These are always these little special runs that make all that foundation stand out, so you don't do the same thing like the other guys pretty much. So guys, let's get into it. This one starts from the CC, okay? So we're gonna do a little go down to sort of also show you that you can jump into your CCs all kinds of ways. So from this simple side step which you do in the top rock, what we're gonna do is go on the knee, place our hand on the floor and jump on this leg like this. Jump. See, automatically I land in that CC position. So from here I'm going to make a little CC, switch, CC. So the CC you can do in many ways. So you can place with the hand, you can play with the leg a little bit, or maybe even instead of doing normal CC, stick it out, whatever, right? But the idea is that CC, don't do it too fast in this case, because from the CC, what we're going to do is go over to the next move, which is switches. So what we're going to do is jump, same as the CC, but jump on both, like this. And straight up jump back. So that's actually what switches are. So switch, jump, jump, switch, jump, jump. And when you first start with CC, and you go to this move, you sort of see a speed up in your movement, which is kind of a nice effect, right? So from that little go down, you go CC, CC, jump, jump. From this part, what we're going to do is go to the push-up position like this. Really make sure both my feet are together. And what we're going to do is, well, a technique that's similar to the swipe. What we're actually going to do, when you see me do it, literally see that it's similar to the swipe. Turn around with my feet a little bit. Lift my hip. So if you watch my swipe tutorial, you know what to do. But pretty much what you want to do is lift the hip to make height. So you can actually jump over like that. So, when you see it from the side, you see this, whoop, whoop, right? This is really not a hard move. Try to understand this standing technique, which is similar, right? I'm just standing on my feet. I'm not really jumping, but it looks like that, which makes it cool. So, from this little jump, you can do this multiple times if you like, right? Or do a roll after, or jump into a move even if you want. But what we're actually going to do is do it twice, and the second time you try to land on the landing arm first, and then drop on your back by turning this hand in. So, well, personally, I don't do it without hands, right? But as a beginner, I suggest take it safe at the start, right? Looks cool enough as it is. So, from the side, you can see, go to the push-up position, jump over, and turn on my back like that. Now, whenever you turn on your back, you need to make sure you're in that tight position. It's really ugly if you land like this, right? Or like that. I see this so much and I think, oh. So make sure it's a nice and clean position. So from this laid position, you can just get up if you like. You can also, go to a bridge or something like that. Maybe use a little kip up. Use whatever move you like to either continue or, or stand up. So it needs to keep going. Don't think, oh, I'm laying on my back and I will crawl up like a grandma. That looks really ugly. So guys, this is the run. We also did something similar in the class, so let's get into it, guys. Let's do the whole thing, and then you guys can practice as much as you like. So take a look how I'm going to go from this little top rope move, go on my CC position, go to some switches, right? Why not? Jump, turn, twist on my back like that. From here, try to find a nice little way to get up, right? Or continue your move. If you go on your back whatever way, it only makes sense that you use that. So from the back, try to maybe do a bridge, like I said, like you're already on your back, so use a little bridge maybe. Or use another move that uses that your back is on the floor, right? Like maybe the backswing, I don't know. So then you keep the flow going nice, right? So instead of just, oh, I'm on my back and now I'm just all of a sudden going back to six step, that's kind of ugly, guys. See you next time.